Sent is a weekend conference we call a festival because of the interaction we have with mission partners and each other as together we discover and respond to the voice of God. Let's hear from some friends who were part of Sent last year.
All right, well, I'm Allison McKeel, and I've been attending church here for about 19 years.
Sure, so my name's Bruce Jenkins. I am one of the elders here at the church here at First Presbyterian.
Hi, I'm Krista Ginn. I've been with First Presbyterian Church for about 8 years now.
Hi, my name is Gay Cox. I've been a member here for a little over 5 years, along with my husband Dennis. We just wanted to become a member of a congregation, an active congregation.
I think the perception is, Sent is just First Presbyterian and within these church walls, but Sent is actually a bigger thing. It goes outside of this church and how we can serve God's people outside of, this church, outside of this country, outside of this, in this world. So that's really what I think it's all about, is finding those people to connect with.
Just exciting just to see people come out for this. It was nice to see some people who didn't attend the church come to it. I think it was just a high energy because everyone was there for the same reason. We knew everyone was there because they wanted to learn about the community, they wanted to learn how they could have an impact, they wanted to learn further how their spiritual gifts could be used.
I'm searching, and Sent really, I think Sent helped me do that, to realize that there's something out there for me, I just haven't felt it yet.
I'd got an email asking if I would want to be involved as a listener in the Calling Lab, and I didn't know what that was. So the first evening I came to a session that talked about what that is, what the Calling Lab is. It's a place for people to come and talk with someone who's a listener, to listen for what God is calling them to do.
So my wife was able to attend, and she had nothing but great things to say about how interesting it was, how it did change her perspective on how she can get involved. So what I'm really looking forward to this year is actually being an active participant and being involved to see maybe if there's a different sort of calling that I may have, or a different area that I can be sent to.
You don't usually get to see the people who attend different services, but this time everyone was in one place at one time. You had the freedom and relaxation to just fellowship with one another.
We talk about these spiritual pathways and how to find God and find the spiritual gifts that each of us has. And part of it is discovering that, and then the second part of that is then applying those gifts to something that we're passionate about. And when you kind of sync up that passion with a volunteer opportunity, you're going to get a product that is more meaningful.
I'm anxious to see what is on the docket for this year, to see what's planned and see how the tracks differ, and I think Sent will be successful if all of us are listening a little harder.
The Sent Festival is the weekend of September 16th, 17th, and 18th at First Presbyterian Church in downtown Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Please visit us at our website, www.fpclive.org. See you there!